In this video, I'll show you how you can set up automatic transfers on Charles Schwab. Once you're logged in, you want to select on the Move Money tab and then select Transfers and Payments, and then you want to select Online Transfers here. In this example, I'll show you how to set up an automatic transfer between my brokerage account and my Roth IRA. And then from there, you want to scroll down and then you want to make sure you select the account you want to transfer from. So here I'll put my individual account, and then from there, I'm going to select my Roth IRA. Regardless of the account that you're transferring to, the page should look pretty similar to this. The only difference with the IRA option is that the contribution year needs to be selected. But once you do that, go ahead and put how much you want to transfer and how often you want to transfer. So let's say that you get paid twice a month, then go ahead and put those dates here. And then just to be clear, this is not a one-time thing. Every month after this one, you should see a transfer take place on these 2 days. So the first time I did this, I made sure to check on the following month just to make sure everything looked good. But if everything looks good here, you can go ahead and click continue. You should see a confirmation page that looks like this. And then if everything looks good, go ahead and click submit. If you want to learn how to set up automatic investments on Charles Schwab, then check out this video.